In this video, we're going to be talking about place value up to 20,000. We're going to be answering the questions, how do we determine place value? This is very important as we want to know the values of numbers like this one, and we want to be able to compare numbers like these two. Whether that be shopping and we want to compare prices, or we're looking at sports stats and we want to see who got the better outcome. Those are just two examples of how we see this in real life. So let's take the number 13,453. This 3 is in the units column, so it's represented by 3 individual units. The 5 is in the tens column, and that's represented by 5 10 sticks, or 50 little individual cubes. The hundreds column, we have the 4 here, and that is 400 slabs here. So that represents 400 of these units right here. And then the 1,000, we have the 3, and we can represent this by 3,000 cubes. So there's 1,000 of these little units in 1,000 cube. So we see here that this 3 is greater than this 3 because in this place value, it represents 3,000 cubes versus just 3 cubes here. This 1 is in the 10,000 place value, and it has a 10,000 block, which has 10,000 of these individual cubes. It's really hard to see because it's so big. Another way to talk about this is as we move to the left, we increase by multiplying it by 10. So we see that the 10 is just 10 units. And then the 100 slab is 10 10 sticks. And the 1,000 cube is 10 100 slabs. And the 10,000 block is 10,000 cubes. We can also represent this number using an addition problem, like the one you see here. So we have 1 10,000, 3 thousands, which is 3,000, 4 hundreds, 400, 5 10 sticks, 50, and then 3 units, which is 3. And we see this number written in words right here, 13,453. Now we can use this information to determine which number is greater when we see two numbers. Now, as we saw back here, numbers towards the left are automatically going to be greater than the value of the numbers to the right, because this is representing more than this is representing. So we want to start out at the left number and compare them. So we see that this both has 8 in the thousands place, so we're good there. They both have 3 in the hundred place, so they both have 300 right there. Then we go to the tens, and we have a 4 and a 5. And we know that 5 is greater, so this one is automatically greater right here, because we have 50 here, and this only has 40. Even though we see that this 5 is greater than a 4, it's still, 54 is still greater than 45. So this number is greater. And if we wanted to show it with a sign, this would be, the first number would be less than the second number. So let's try this one on your own. Think about which number is greater. Did you say the first one? Then you are correct. We see this by, they both have 6,000. But then when you get to the hundred place, we see that the 4 is bigger than the 3. So it has 400 versus 300. So this is automatically bigger no matter what the rest of the numbers are. And we can show this by saying 6,473 is greater than this, the greater than sign eats the bigger number. Then 6,374. Now I want you to pause the video and try numbering these numbers from the smallest value to the largest value. Is this the order that you had? Then you are correct. And we can just do this by what we did in the first section. Now this video, we talked about how do we determine place value. So I want you to think about how we learned that in this video. One answer that you could say is by the positions of the numbers. But then I think you can come up with other ways to answer this question. Thank you so much for listening.